Move to the next problem. If the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus 2bx plus c equals to 0 and bx square plus 2 root acx plus b equals to 0 are simultaneously real, then a, b, c are in GP. A, B, C are in GP means c by b equals to b by a, or you have to prove b square equals to ac. Here equation 1 is here first equation is ax square plus 2bx plus c equals to 0. Now ax square plus 2bx plus c equals to 0 and the roots are real. Now when it is given the roots are real, the discriminant must be greater or equals to 0. So what is the discriminant? Here discriminant, we take it as d1 and this is equals to, you can see here a equals to a, b equals to 2b, c equals to c. You can write for your own convenience, may or may not write, that is up to you. So here d1 is, that means discriminant of the first equation is b square, that means 2b whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a into c, that means 4b square minus 4ac. Now the roots of this equation is real, therefore d1 must be greater or equals to 0. Therefore by condition, what is the condition? Roots are real, d1 greater or equals to 0. That means 4b square minus 4ac greater or equals to 0. You can take 4 out, that means we can write b square minus ac greater or equals to 0. Mark it as condition 1. Here second equation. What is the second equation? This one. What is this? bx square minus 2 root ac plus x plus b equals to 0. So what is the discriminant? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. What is b? Minus 2 root ac. That means minus 2 root ac whole square minus 4ac. Here a is b, c is also b. That means 4 into b into b. You get 4ac minus 4b square. Now this equation or roots of this equation is also real. Therefore by condition you can write four ac minus b square greater equals to 0 minus 4b square in fact. That means you can write ac minus b square greater equals to 0. You can write it as condition 2. Now look at this. You have b square minus ac greater equals to 0, and from 2 you get ac minus b square equals greater equals to 0. These two conditions simultaneously hold when b square minus ac equals to 0. Holds only when b square minus ac equals to 0. That means b square equals to ac, and b square equals to ac means a, b, c are in GP. I repeat, b square minus ac, from condition 1 you get b square minus ac equals to 0. From condition 2 you get ac minus b square equals to 0, greater equals to 0. So combining these two conditions, that means b square minus ac get equals to 0 and ac minus b square get equals to 0. Combining this, you have b square minus ac equals to 0. Otherwise, this condition cannot hold simultaneously. Now, when b square minus ac equals to 0, that means b square equals to ac, and from this you can write c by b equals to b by a, or a, b, c are in Zp. That completes your problem.